It's 1884, and 250,000 people struck it rich digging for gold in California. What would you do for an opportunity like that? I believe there's a gold rush upon us right now. It's called the Infiniverse. So I'm going to show you how to navigate from your Oculus home into the multiverse and into the Infiniverse, where the future plans for this is to make money. And if you're in there right now, you need to be buying up all the land that you can.
As soon as you put your headset on, you're going to end up in your Oculus home. Inside your Oculus home is a web browser right in front of your face. Get in here and download the app Multiverse. Then down here's a little menu. Open this menu and click on the app you just downloaded, Multiverse, and it's going to take you right there. Once you get here, you're going to be asked two simple questions.
Are you standing up or sitting down?
Once you click this is going to take you to your Meta home. Welcome home. Here you can customize that big video and you can customize the wall behind you. It has 3 doors in it, and the doors are actually portals. So we're going to shoot our lasso through this door to the Multiverse Grand Central, which reminds me of Game Station Central from Wreck-It Ralph, where all the video game characters ended up hanging out in this central station, and then they could go back through portals to their each individual video game, much like the Multiverse. Here is Grand Central for the Multiverse. Let's go look around for a second. Here are different portals to different multiverses. As you can see here, one's for a planetarium and one's for a business park. Now, if we swing right and we go back up through that door where it says Multiverse, right the door we came through, this is going to take us back to our home, our log cabin, our home multiverse. To illustrate how this is nothing but more than portals, we're going to go check out the Infiniverse now, the place has potential to make money in the future. This is what it looks like when you first walk in. You gotta wait for it to load. Look at these skyscrapers. Each skyscraper has a floor that can be purchased through the coins. Every circle you see on there is somebody's profile picture who have bought floors. Let's cruise over here real quick to one that I own. I own the penthouse on the top of this floor right here. On the building on the left, I am on the 112th floor. We'll go there in a second. How do you do this? How do you get in here? So what you do is you shoot your lasso through this door. It's going to pop up this menu. In this menu, it shows you everybody who owns a floor and if there are any floors available. It shows you what the floor is worth, what street it's on. Up in this right-hand corner, it's going to show you your actual coins on hand. So that's what it looks like once you own one. So we're going to go back and look down here at a floor that is for sale. If it's for sale, you click it. And when you click it, you have the option to buy, and it tells you how much it's worth. And once you do buy it, just like mine, right at the top, as soon as you purchase this floor, it's going to put your profile picture on it. So let's go check this one out. As soon as you beam into your apartment, you're going to see a big screen TV, fully customizable. You can upload your own videos here on display. And check it out, that laptop, it does the same thing. Now let's look around because there's 2 pictures behind us that you can customize as well. You can hang NFTs, you can put like a business card type thing like I did here. On both sides of the wall, there's a little glitch right now where you can only display the one. Here's the Multiverse home. You go through that portal, you're going to end up back at your log cabin. That Infiniverse will take you back down to the bottom. Now here's the view from the 112th floor of that big tall building. This is the most expensive building in the Infiniverse right now. This floor is now worth 10 times as much as what I paid for it when I first bought it. Now let's go back to the home. I want to show you another thing because you can have these apartments, you can come in here to your home, you see in Grand Central Station, but if you pull up your wrist, you hit your metaverses, and this is the metaverse we're in right now. It's going to take us right back to the home. Watch. Welcome home. Boom. We're right back into the same house. But if you pop up this one, this is your metaverse that you can customize and actually make a shop for your business or your brand. Fully customizable. All kinds of portal doors. You can hang stuff all over these walls, and there's one really cool thing that I want to show you as soon as we swing around here, because these back doors, there's 5 of them. Think of them as a place to type in a URL, right? It's the web browser. You can put a link right there, and this is going to be a portal This portal will actually take you back to your Oculus home. Watch this. Shoot your lasso. We're going through that portal. We're back at our Oculus home. The web browser pops up. Boom, right to my website. Now imagine potential clients, customers, or new people that pop in, go here and it directs them right to your website. Are you starting to see the future yet? Hit Metaverse. Boom, you're right back to where you were. And now look at the view. Top view. I believe this is Miami.
Now I want to hit on a couple of things that's going to show how this has the potential to earn money in the future and what the developers are telling us that their plans are. It's a company called Future Tech Labs. That's the name. And they refer to themselves, we call them the devs, but they refer to themselves as FTL, right? Future Tech Labs. This FTL, this developer says, Multiverse is a multitude of metaverses. The Infiniverse is the infinite hub of interconnected metaverses. So here is their plan on how they want this to make money. Somebody asked the questions, are we going to be able to make money and flip property in here? This was the developer's answer. Ability to flip property? Yes. We want to enable trading of properties both between players in Infiniverse as well as outside of the app as NFTs where users can generate real money for their investments. These are our goals, but we are not 100% in control of these features as there are processes of approval that we need to go through with the Oculus, Facebook, Meta, right? So they got a lot of stuff. This is pre-beta. That's why right now is the time to get involved and inside the Infiniverse and build this thing for the future. Another thing the developer is talking about is your own metaverse, that white room with a great view, in-game stores providing real-world services. So imagine somebody puts on an Oculus, they're surfing the web through these portals, right? This is the new feature and the new way to surf the web. They land inside your metaverse and you provide real-world services. You're selling something, they click, they buy, boom, you ship it to their door. He says, yes, absolutely. This is a huge goal for us. And basically the premise of the whole project, this is about the creation of the metaverse. And as such, anything that can be done online on the internet should be possible to be done inside the metaverse. It is a big job though, so expect a stepping stone approach. And be patient with us. We're working on it hard. They've been doing this for 5 years now and just barely released. So if you haven't heard of the Infiniverse, get in there and start buying up land. As soon as you get in there, you get 500 free coins. Go far from the city that you land in and you can buy 2 to 3 properties because if you go far away, you can find penthouses for like 160. So those are some of the things that the developers are talking about. They're building this for us. It's not for them to be billionaires and have a company that sells games, right? They already did that. They all worked for PlayStation and EA and all kind of games like that. They're here to build a new way to surf the internet, a very interconnected way to actually move and navigate with friends where it feels like you're talking face to face. The future is here and it's time to jump in. More videos about the Infiniverse coming soon. All right, peace.